All right, we're cooking here. Second meal of the day. What are we having?
We're gonna have some quesadillas. First is tortillas, add a mozzarella cheese.
Nice.
Then avocado wild tuna, one celery stick,
Tomato.
one tomato,
Jalapeno.
and one jalapeno. Cut it up into small little squares. After that, we mix them all together. We got this almond flour.
Nice.
And also some of this avocado oil. Put it all together. We put some pepper. We were going to use the Himalayan pink salt, but it might be too sweet, so we decided not to use it and just use just the pepper itself. So we mixed it all together. And now we're kind of making them into like patties and then baking them right now.
Frying them.
Frying them.
These are baked.
With some of that
Gold.
Kerrygold butter.
Yay! Let me do the other one. Oh.
Actually, yours came out better. And it doesn't look round. Wow, look at that.
There you go.
And that, my friends, is the conclusion of this tuna quesadilla.
Yay! Let's eat.
If you want to follow this, go ahead and try it out. Let us know.